SETPOWER refrigerators were kind enough to offer me any of their refrigerator freezer combos to integrate into the camper truck build. If you've been following along the camper build, you know I like to approach my projects with practical and budget-friendly thinking. With that in mind, I decided to go with a very affordable and perfect size TC35 for our weekend warrior camping trips. So please stick around. Let's unbox this refrigerator. I'll show you what comes with it. We'll plug it in and test it out. At $249, this fridge is the perfect fridge for the budget-conscious weekend warrior looking to step up and move away from the ice chest. SETPOWER has offered Traveling by Tacoma viewers a special 12% discount on their refrigerators. Use the link in the description below along with the discount code Traveling by Tacoma. The TC35 is a 37-quart, 35-liter fridge freezer combo. The fridge comes with everything you'll need to power it up. You can power it from your home outlet, or you can plug it into your 12-volt power outlet in your vehicle. In coming videos, I'll be adding this refrigerator as well as a power system to the camper. So follow along as we integrate the SETPOWER refrigerator into the camper build and test it along the way. As you can see, the refrigerator comes with everything you need to get started. Power cords, instructions, wheels if you want to move it around, and even some cool stickers. The refrigerator's compressor has a 3-year warranty and a 12-month warranty on all the other parts. It even came with some free snacks. Just kidding, don't eat those. This is the AC power unit, so you can plug your refrigerator into your home outlet. It's a good idea to pack your refrigerator and run it off your home outlet the night before your trip. This way your refrigerator is nice and cold before you start to use your 12-volt power. It also comes with these traditional style ice chest handles if you want to carry the refrigerator around. This one's my favorite. Another reason I chose the TC35 because it would fit perfectly on my fridge slide. I'll put a link below for the DIY fridge slide build video. Just need to add my tie downs to the fridge slide to secure the refrigerator in place. I like it. The 12-volt power supply couldn't be much simpler. Just plug in one end to the refrigerator, run your power cable towards your power outlet, and plug the other end into your 12-volt power supply. Operating the refrigerator is just as easy. With one touch of the button, the power comes on. To control the temperature of your refrigerator freezer, use the plus or minus buttons to choose which temperature you would like to set it at. Also, inside of the refrigerator is an easy to read chart telling you what temperatures to set the refrigerator at for certain types of food. I think this is going to be a great addition to our camping gear setup. Please use the discount code link and the discount code in the description below. Appreciate your time and thanks for watching.